Okay, we're showing everyone why this dog is appropriately named Shadow. He loves to chase shadows. Get him, Shep. Get him. Shep. Shep for short. Shadow Epstein. Shep. Get him, Shep. Go get him. Get that shadow. Get that shadow. Go get that shadow, Shep. Go get that shadow. Okay. And Brady, you want to turn? Right, make a shadow. Watch out, Madison. I can't see. Get close to the wall. Get close to the wall, Brady. The closer to the wall you are, the darker your shadow. So he can see it better. Get that shadow, Shep. Get it. Go get it. Get it, Shep. Get it.
Get closer.
Okay, Noah, turn. Get closer to the wall, Noah. Closer to the wall so he can see your shadow. Go get it. Go get it, Shep. Get that shadow. Now come over here to this wall. Noah, come over here to this wall and see if he follows it. Shep, come over here. Get it. Get it, Shep. Get that shadow. Get that shadow. All right. Good boy, Shep. Good boy, Shep.